5 divided by 2 is just written as 5/2. Then here 5 divided by 4 is also it is written as 5/2. Then 5/2 divided by 5/2, which equals 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, if there are more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. Okay, we have to work from left to right. Therefore, in this expression there are 4 divisions. Then first we have to do this division, and next this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. Therefore, first we have to do this division. Okay, 5 divided by 2 means 5/2 divided by 5. Okay, then 5/2 divided by 5 means, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip, then which equals 5/2 times 1/5. Okay, 5/2 1/5 divided by 2. So here 5/2 times 1/5 means by 5 1, which equals to 1/2. Okay, it is just 1/2, then divide by 2. Then here is also according to the KCF rule, we have to keep the first fraction 1/2, then change this division into multiplication and 1/2. Okay, then 1/2 times 1/2, which equals 1 times 1, which equals 1, 2 times 2, which equals 4. Okay, therefore this is the final answer of this problem. Therefore the final answer of this problem equals to 1/4.